Hello guys, welcome to Bistro Cooking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cranberry sauce. It's incredibly easy and simple to do, and this is what I cook for every Thanksgiving. This recipe never fails me. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and I think it's high time to share this very simple and delicious recipe with everyone. So to make cranberry sauce, we will need cranberries, and they are incredibly inexpensive in the United States at the moment, so I bought this whole bunch just for less than $1. They are very beautiful, but they are also very sour, so we will need some sugar, some orange juice, and a splash of water. I have my saucepan here, and to this I'm gonna add cranberries. I also gonna add some orange juice. It's freshly squeezed, a dash of water, and a full cup of sugar. The recipe asks for 1 full cup of sugar because remember, cranberries are very sour. I then gonna cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna mix it very well and then gonna cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna see you later. I have been heating cranberries for 15 minutes and all of my cranberries have popped. Now I can remove the saucepan from the stove. So this cranberry sauce has cooked for 15 minutes and it looks perfect. It's a little bit loose at the moment, but it's gonna thicken up very soon. I use this recipe for cranberry sauce every Thanksgiving, and I think it's simple and very delicious. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time on Bistro Cooking.